ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಪ್ಪ. We welcome you today for this Samagam and we thank you for your attendance in large numbers. You are aware, three of our companies amalgamated together and we made one ACE Designers Limited. And there is ACE, the Turning Center Division, AMS, the Machining Center Division, and MMT, the marketing company. We are the largest machine tool company in the country and we have almost 30% of the total machine tool sales in value. And all our growth now has to come from the global market. And we here means all of us together. Is one element of the whole thing. Thanks to HMT that started the ecosystem building and then we have built over that and today we are the largest machine tool ecosystem place in the country and we need to make sure that our ecosystem gears up to that level. It's the responsibility of each and every one of us to put our effort to grow to this global scale. And just to give some figures, we make lathes and machining put together around 35 machines a day. What it means? Normally it's about 2,000 parts a machine. So we assemble 70,000 parts every day. Imagine, you have to make those parts, we have to supply the parts, we have to make the machines, we have to ship the machines, you have to sell the machines, most important. And this cycle has been going on. And our group is 46 years old now. So now, what does it mean? 70,000 parts have to come every day. Whose responsibility is? All of us together. And they must meet the quantity requirement, they must meet the quality requirement and availability in time. Many times when you start assembling a machine, out of 2,000 parts, 150 parts are missing. And the whole assembly line is blocked. And imagine, and of course we have grown, all of us have grown from small to big. So we have to use the now modern technology, modern processes like productivity, digitization, IoT, and also all of us, it is not fashionable if you don't talk about AI. So use of AI because we have a pattern of behavior of the whole ecosystem and we have to make sure that it is either changed or we must have enough stocks to do it. So it's a huge responsibility because, and not only that sir, we enable employment. We have more than 1 lakh of machines in the field. 1 lakh means at least 3-4 lakhs of people are employed on account of machines. So we are really adding value to the economy. It's our responsibility. And we have to keep on growing. And how many people we employ? All of us put together, it will be a huge number of people we employ. And they must grow. For that, the responsibility is our companies to grow and their earnings must grow. We must make profits too ultimately. So, this is our responsibility and I'm very glad I'm retired now. Thank you.